In this video, I'm going to show you how to save images on Dola AI app. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is generate the image you want to save. So if you don't know how to do this, you can watch my full video, but essentially you just have to go and tap in the bottom middle where it says create and create one over here. Now, again, I do have a video teaching you how to do this, so you can go watch that first. It's inside a full playlist of Dola AI tutorials on my channel. So from here, of course, from your chats, you want to find the image which you want to save. So I'm going to go with this cat image over here, and then you have two options. So you could tap on this save button at the bottom, as you can see, which is going to add it to favorites. But if you want to save it to your phone, you could either tap on the image. So as you can see at the bottom left of your image, there's like a small download button. So the arrow down, there we go. This is going to save your image. So right now it's loading, and then it's going to save it whenever that's done. There we go. It says saved on device up top. Or you can tap on the image as well, and then you can tap on save at the bottom left, and it's going to do the exact same thing. It's going to save your image from Dola AI app to your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.